We will be showing you how to do that in future movies. The third benefit that a process model can give you is tool requirements. By tool, I mean software application. There are two applications that we have identified in this process: a loan processing system and an escrow application system. Now, if the application were used for more than one task, you could capture what the system has to do to support each of the tasks and then compile them. This becomes the tool requirements for that particular system and is valuable to use to compare to the capabilities of your existing tool. I've had several clients who have used this technique to prepare an RFP, request for proposal, to buy a new system, and it worked very well. An additional benefit is that if this task uses more than one tool, these requirements can be used to determine any integration opportunity. I have found that sometimes people are doing the integration by cutting and pasting data from one tool into another. So one final benefit of the model is that you can obtain skill requirements for each of the roles. In other words, if you want to create a skill requirement or a job requirement for the escrow officer, you would then compile the descriptions for all the tasks that they must do in executing this process. This will become the job description or the skill requirement for that particular role for executing this process. HR people love this because it's very clear what that role must do and what skill level they must have in order to execute this process. HR people love this because that's very clear. HR folks HR people love this because it's very clear what that role must do and what skill level they must have in order to properly execute this process. This requirement set that's developed is also excellent for developing a training program. So that's an overview of the power of process for improving your business. Let's summarize the features and benefits of a process model. This model captures how a process is executed. This process captures how a process is executed using The process model captures how a process is executed using roles, tasks, data objects, paths, and applications. These can be analyzed and rearranged or changed to improve the execution in order to better meet the needs of the business. The major benefits you can obtain from a process model are: estimate and improve. The major benefits you can obtain from a process model are: estimate schedule improvement, estimate the cost improvement, identify role and skill requirements, or identify application requirements. The major benefits you can obtain from a process model are: you can help schedule The major benefits you can obtain from a process model are: you can use it The major benefits that you can obtain from a process model is that you can use it to help. The major benefits you can get out of a process model are you can use it to help improve the schedule or the elapsed time. It can help you reduce the resources used in the execution of the process. You can use it to define tool application requirements, and you can use it to develop or define skill requirements. In the next episode, we will be discussing common issues that we find in businesses of all sizes. So please return to this channel and leave any comments below. Thank you very much.